If you make a better product but have a negative impact on the environment, I don't call that innovation. Innovating with sustainable solutions and a complete life cycle, that's real innovation. And that's something that sets us apart. People have this perception that polystyrene can't be recycled. It's not true. EPS is recyclable. The product's reputation was part of the problem, but polystyrene is really a good product when it's used in the right places.
It's not that it can be recycled. It's figuring out what comes next with the eco centers, and some steps have already been made.
We've made it our mission to make expanded polystyrene recycling accessible.
First, we started with our own waste. I would say around 2006. We invested in special equipment.
We created a whole environment division, and the demand is keen. It's so popular, we're now investing in a brand new sorting center that will double our current capacity.
News spread, and now expanded polystyrene can also be collected at our customers' and at our distributors.
We put a drop-off point in the parking lot of the office, and we see people pulling up there every day, actually every hour. When they're driving by, they stop and they drop off their polystyrene packaging. I find it encouraging, and it gives me hope because we can say, yes, we're going to get this done. There will be a system put in place to provide a service that matches the needs. One of our main applications is in the Nudura insulated concrete forms. These are the forms that concrete is poured in to build houses, malls, schools, hospitals, or hotels. The plastic we process are used to make inserts for these forms.
We need you. We need everyone's help in order to make sure we are leaving our future generations a healthy, clean world where they can enjoy living.
It's important to make these efforts because every little gesture has a much bigger impact than you might think.